Lipstick has been used by women for generations, but there is an ingredient that may make you think twice about putting it on. Welcome to Fun Facts. Lipstick is great for improving your look and has been used by many women who have to look well-groomed, such as flight attendants. It comes in almost every color, so you can personalize your look. Many lipsticks give your lips a nice shine, but have you ever wondered how beauty product manufacturers achieve this? Fun fact, most lipstick contains fish scales, commonly known as pearl essence or pearlescence. As it turns out, the stuff that makes fish scales flash also makes one's lips shiny. Most pearl essence comes from commercially fished herring. There are other beauty products that also have some hidden secrets. Many skin creams that are designed to promote luminosity or to smooth the skin contain cerebrosides, the brain tissue of cows, pigs, and other livestock. Red products, including lipstick, blushes, and shampoo, are often made from cochineal, a dye produced from crushed beetles. Several brand name mascaras include guano, which is essentially rendered bat feces. What beauty product do you commonly use? And did anything in this video make you think twice about using it? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this fun fact. Check out one of our other videos for facts that will truly amaze you.